Hi everyone, I'm Smriti Safaya and I'm a member of the Inclusive Citizen Science team at SEI York. My interest with getting hands-on with nature started from when I realized how impactful experiential education is. Learning is just much stickier when you're where the action is happening. I felt this when I was studying geology and doing earthquake research in Tibet, when I was taking my students out on field trips in Hong Kong and around the world, and also when I'm taking the public on multisensory nature walks. When we're out and about in nature, but even in the urban environments, it's just so much more impactful when you're out in the field. Hands-on experiences in nature can impact values, attitudes, and behaviors towards the natural environment. Being out in nature where you're paying attention to the plants and animals around you really means that you can build your connection to the natural environment, and that really enforces how we then feel and act towards nature. Something I've been working on especially is with students and teachers in schools. And by doing environmental citizen science, it has an impact on not just their knowledge about environmental issues, but also on their pro-environmental behaviors, which is really important because it goes beyond just what the school assignment is about, but more about affecting change in one society. One initiative I get excited about every year is the York City Nature Challenge, which is a 4-day BioBlitz where you record the wildlife that you see around you. And I got really excited because I noticed that York was not one of the participating cities, and I'd done it for a few years in Hong Kong and thought, this place is so beautiful, how is it not happening? So I co-founded it with a few other researchers who thought this would be a great activity for York. Since we started this in 2024, York has been punching above its weight and has been #1 out of all the UK cities for the total number of different species we see in that 4-day period. And when we talk to the people who've participated, they always say just how exciting it is to be doing something just to improve one's knowledge, but also about potentially helping with nature conservation. We've had all sorts of people take part, from families with young children taking a look at the birds in their backyard, to lichen-obsessed people who were happy to help ID a whole bunch of plants that people saw. So it's really a whole community-wide type of activity. When we give people the opportunity to not just be in nature, but to know nature and contribute to scientific research, it forges connections. It forges connections between the scientists and the citizens, between people and nature, and that shapes how we decide to take action for the planet and all life.